gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ń bá bọ̀ ẹni tó bá lọ ló bá dé. Nǹkan táyé Amẹ́ríkà máa fi ń dún mọ̀wúrú mọ́ any country tó bá ṣe bí ipò ń gbọ́n àbí any country tó bá stand up to them. Sanctions ni. Iran has been on American sanctions for the past 47 years. Kí náà ń pè ní sanctions? Ìlú tó lọ́n fún ní ẹ̀bùn natural resources. Tẹ́yìn ò wá fún wọn láǹfààní àti trade pẹ̀lú other country. Tó ti jẹ́ pé the rule of nature ni pé kò sí country tó lè stand on its own. Kò sí oore tó lọ́n lè ṣe fún ọ. You cannot stand on your own. You must have area tó ti depend on the other country. When Iran were denying the opportunity láti lo resources wọn fún ọmọ Iran, how is that just for the past 47 years? For what? Because they want to live their life. That is their essay. They want to live their life the way they want. That is the only essay. And because Iran is the only country nínú gbogbo Middle East tó dá dúró tó jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé no matter what, ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀ máa là lé wa lọ́wọ́. To those of you tí ń ru yín lójú torí wípé in tí oge fi ta lé Amẹ́ríkà lọ́wọ́ yìí ni pé global world la wà yìí, IT world la wà yìí, information ò sí fi pamọ́. Kò sí any individual tó lè control media space mọ́ unlike before. Tó jẹ́ pé tó bá wù yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ fún wa, Abacha was a dictator, Gaddafi was a dictator, Saddam Hussein was a dictator, Maduro was a dictator. The only person tí is a dictator lẹ́ni tó bá succumb to your beck and call, your whim and caprices. Òun nìkan ni is a dictator. If it is about democracy, is Saudi Arabia democratic? Is Jordan democratic? Is Kuwait democratic? In the whole Middle East, where they are practicing monarch, the only country tó ní ṣòro pẹ̀lú America is Iran. Why? Because it is only Iran that stand up against the bully. So, ẹ̀yin tí wọ́n ń rú lójú pé kí ló kan ti àwọn neighboring country ń bẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi ń attack wọn. Tí America bá mọ̀ wípé ó léwu táwọn rival country àwọn kan mú létí àwọn. Tí n bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ rival country, I'm talking about Russia, China, North Korea. Because according to Trump, the only reason tó ṣe fẹ́ gba Greenland ni pé ó believe wípé Denmark might not be able to protect Greenland. Tí wàhálà bá dé, ẹ̀rù ń bà pé tí Russia bá múlé síbẹ̀, wọ́n ti múlé tì òun. Tí China bá múlé síbẹ̀, wọ́n ti múlé tì òun. That was the reason he gave tó ti fẹ́ gba Greenland lọ́wọ́ Denmark. Tóun bá wà mọ danger tó wà nínú kí rival country ó múlé tì òun. How come tí America wá sọ di mọ́síàb láti máa lọ múlé tì other countries? In the Middle East, wọ́n ní base ní Jordan, wọ́n ní Kuwait, wọ́n ní Bahrain, wọ́n ní Saudi Arabia, wọ́n ní Abu Dhabi, wọ́n ní Israel. Àwọn òdẹ̀gbà kẹ́nìkan kó múlé tí àwọn dẹ̀ múlé tí everybody káàkiri. And Iran has been telling them pé tọ̀ tẹ́ bá àtàkì wa gbogbo basis yín tó wà ní neighboring country yìí àwọn náà máa kọ́kọ́ suffer ẹ̀. Torí pé àlàyé yìí ń wá torí a neutral person tó lè process ọ̀rọ̀ yàtọ̀ fún religious bigot. If you are a religious bigot, you are already taking a space because you think Israel is related to Christ. If you are a religious bigot, you have already taken a time because you believe Saudi Arabia is related to Prophet Muhammad. This is not about religion. This is the war of survival. Ìwọ tó fún enemy mi láǹfààní láti múlé tí ọ láti ṣe jàǹbá fún mi, automatically you are my enemy. Iran, why the negotiation is on? Kí ni negotiation? Kí náà negotiate? Ẹ dákẹ́ kọ́kọ́ béèrè náà kí náà negotiate? Iran should not have nuclear weapon. That is what the negotiation is all about. Why can't Iran have nuclear weapon when Israel has nuclear weapon? Research shows that Israel has between 80 to 400 nuclear heads. Tí wọn ò dẹ̀ gbà kí àwọn standard body IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency, the body positioned by UN, United Nations, láti máa expect nuclear country nípa bó náà ṣe ń lò kí náà fi ń ṣe kí ni progress ẹ̀. It is only Iran that submit itself to the authority of this body because on several occasions làwọn bodies yìí ti lọ sí Iran láti lọ inspect ìlú wọn kò tí ì sí any account tó sọ pé for once wọ́n rí nuclear weapon níbẹ̀. In 2020, during the first time of Trump, sometime January, General Qasem Soleimani was murdered on the ground of Iraq by President Trump. What was the reason? Ó lóun fíìlì wípé is a potential threat to the United States of America. Last year, June 2025, 3 nuclear sites of Iran were bombed by this same administration, President Trump, through Israel. He called it atomic obliteration. I want to destroy atomic program in Iraq. You kill their general, one of the scientists, lórí nuclear proliferation. You bomb their country, 3 sites, and you kill 10 scientists through this same Israel, all in 2025, in the name of Iran cannot have nuclear weapons. The question everybody must continue to ask ni pé why tẹ́yìn ṣe ní tẹ́yìn ò fẹ́ kẹ́nìkan ní why tí neighbor Iran ó ṣe ní nuclear weapon tí ó dẹ̀ subject ẹ̀ fún inspection ẹni tó wá subject ara rẹ̀ fún inspection òun wá ní terrorist ẹni tí ó subject fún ara rẹ̀ òun ní peacemaker. Ibi tá a ti fẹ́ kí every discerning man ẹni tó bá pé òótọ́ ló jẹ́ ológun tó bá jẹ́ pé òótọ́ ló jẹ́ ológun ibi tá a ti fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ rò fún ara yín nù. Who is the oppressor here and who is the terrorist here?